Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Adobe Creative Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Adobe Creative Cloud on your device. Once open, sign in to your Adobe account if prompted. Navigate to the Apps section to see all available applications. Choose the specific application you want to scale your project with, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. For Illustrator users, open your existing project file or create a new one. Locate the artboard tool in the toolbar on the left. Select the artboard you want to resize. In the Properties panel on the right, enter your desired width and height. For Photoshop users, open your image file. Go to Image in the top menu and select Image Size. Input your new dimensions in the width and height fields to resize your image. Make sure to check the Constrain Proportions box to maintain the aspect ratio. In both applications, review your resolution settings to ensure quality is preserved. Once resized, save your project by clicking File and then Save As. Choose the format that fits your needs, such as JPEG, PNG, or AI. For video projects in Premiere Pro, upload your footage and create a new sequence. In the sequence settings, specify your desired resolution and frame rate. After editing, export your video by selecting File and then Export. Adjust the export settings to match your target resolution and format. Monitor your project's overall scale and make adjustments as necessary. Consider leveraging Adobe stock for assets that complement your scaled projects. Utilize Adobe fonts to maintain consistent typography across your designs. Remember to check cloud storage limits and manage unused files. Regularly update your Creative Cloud apps for optimal performance. By integrating these scaling techniques, you can enhance your creative projects effectively. Final project review is crucial. Zoom in and examine every detail. Once satisfied, implement your scaled design across platforms or deliver to clients. Now you're ready to create and scale with Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.